In Uganda, offals are traditionally recommended for new mothers because they are easy to digest and can easily release nutrients. Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Offals, locally called yebyenda, are basically cow or goat innards. They include both the small and larger intestines. They are cleaned and boiled to make soup. Before the Portuguese introduced maize, our grandparents used to prepare millet or sorghum flour. During the British rule, the landowners began to cultivate maize in larger quantities, and sometimes workers were paid in form of maize. It's the staple food of the indigenous people of East Africa, rich in carbohydrates, fiber, minerals, and vitamin B. You can serve it with vegetable, meat stew, or fish. It's vegan friendly. Corn flour is one of the most easiest dish to prepare, and its preparation is common in many other African countries, but usually it's known by different names. Preparing it, you will need hot water. You have to heat water. In Uganda, we call it a kaunga, and the difference between kaunga and porridge is that kaunga is much more dense than the porridge. So guys, when mingling, you have to make sure that there isn't any lump remaining, and if you want it to be a bit more soft, you will need to add in more water. So guys, unlike other countries, for us in Uganda, if you want, after mingling it, you can cover it again with the banana leaves and you put it back on fire. The leftovers can be served the next day during breakfast, but what some people do, they cut them into chips, deep fry them, and eat them as snacks. So guys, these are our offals now. In Uganda, offals are traditionally recommended for new mothers because they are easy to digest and they easily release nutrients. They are also rich in proteins, which is necessary for rebuilding the tissues lost during childbirth. So guys, I'm using sunflower seed oil. These are green peppers, onions plus carrots. I have added salt to soften the tomatoes. This is curry powder. It's called Simba. This is pounded rosemary with cinnamon. This is turmeric powder. So guys, I've added the soup which remained after boiling my offals. Offals can also be prepared for breakfast together with matoke or plantain, and it also can go well with any other food. So guys, this is what we have prepared. Thank you so much for watching the video.